Deploying a Python package to the pypi.org repository is one of the most rewarding things that takes your Python skill to the next level. You can do that very easily by following this tutorial step by step. First, you just need to install or upgrade these 3 libraries by running these commands: pip install -- upgrade. Pip is the package manager itself. Build is used to build your package around your Python code. And twine is for uploading the package into the PYPI repository. Step 2. Create a PYPI account. There are 2 types of accounts, one is for testing server and another is for production server. In this video, we will upload our package into the production server. After you have successfully created an account, you need to generate an API token. Log into your account, go to Account Setting, API Token, then add API Token. Give the token a name. For now, the scope you can choose entire account. You must save the token somewhere safe for later use, because once you exit this page, the token will not be displayed again. Step 3. Structure your project directory. This is a very important step. Here's a sample structure you can follow. First, you shall have a main directory. Inside the main directory, there should be a license file, a pyproject file, a README file, a directory called tests which we will leave it empty, and more importantly a directory called src which stores the source code of our project. Inside the src directory, create another directory with your intended project name. This directory stores an init.py file which should be empty and another file which is a source code for our project. For example, you may be familiar with how to import a library inside your Python code. If you want the users to be able to import the standard scalar function from a library called sklearn and file preprocessing, you must create a function called standard scalar inside a file called preprocessing.py, and save it under a directory called sklearn, which should be inside the directory called src. Now let's start structuring our project. For this demo, I already have my source code for my project called science in data dates, so I'm going to paste the source code inside the file science in data_dates.py. Step 4. Create a pyproject.toml file. This file is the metadata of your project. It tells the build tool how to build your project. There are 3 main sections: build system, project, and project.urls. Under the project section, please specify the project name. It should be a unique name. You need to check whether the intended name has existed or not. Step 5. Create a README.md file. This is pretty straightforward. You should provide a clear guide and documentation of your project. Step 6. Create a license file. Do more study on this topic if you need to, but the easiest way is visiting choosealicense.com, then select what makes sense to you. In my case, I want my project under the MIT license. Step 7. Build the package. In your terminal or CMD, go to your main directory where the pyproject file is stored, then run this command python-m build. If successful, you should see a new directory created called dist with 2 files. Step 8. Upload the package. Inside your main directory, run python-m twine upload dist/star. You will be prompted for a username and password. Use what you've generated in step 2.1. Step 9. Job done. Let's test our newly deployed package. We can use pip to install our package. It's working as intended. That's how you deploy a Python package into the pip production server. Like and subscribe if you find this helpful.